This video I'm going to be showing you how to make a custom passcode on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. It's really easy to do. Now, first thing you're going to want to do is you actually just want to go over to the settings option right here. Now, as you can see, if I turn off my phone and try to turn it on, as you can see, it is currently 6 digits. But if you log in, you actually can change it to 4 quite easily. All you need to do to change it to 4 is you actually want to scroll down in settings again and actually just click on Face ID and Passcode. Click on that, enter in your old passcode, whatever this is, the 6-digit one, or if you don't have one, you can also enter in that. And scroll to the bottom, not the very bottom, but just want to scroll down a little bit, and you want to find where it says change passcode. So we click on change passcode like so, where from here you enter in your current passcode. I'm going to do this off camera, and from here you can actually click on passcode options. As you can see, if we just click on passcode options right here, you can just see you can either do 4-digit, 6-digit, custom numeric code, or custom alphabetical order. So I'm going to do that. Then I'm going to enter in whatever this is. You can enter in your passcode and click on done, and it will actually make you enter it in again. And from here, you can actually change your passcode, simple as that, to custom passcode.